Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US Navy repair facility in Japan returns USS Shoup and USS George Washington to fleet after on-time maintenance periods. The US Naval Ship Repair Facility and Japan Regional Maintenance Center has completed key maintenance periods for USS Shoup and USS George Washington. The Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyer and Nimitz-class aircraft carrier were returned to the fleet on time on May 11 and May 13, respectively. The completed Chief of Naval Operations maintenance availabilities reinforce SRF-JRMC's role in generating combat-ready ships for U.S. 7th Fleet operations. The Navy said the work supports its commitment to maintaining a lethal and mission-ready force in the region. The maintenance periods required close cooperation among sailors, civilian maintenance personnel, Japanese Master Labor Agreement employees, local contractors, and US-based companies. The Navy said the recent availabilities demonstrated the importance of that collaboration in sustaining forward-deployed forces. CMDR David Reinhard, the command's executive officer, said, "Despite a recent surge in operational tempo, our crews, superintendents, and the entire SRF-JRMC team have shown exceptional capability. Their dedication and professionalism truly embody the command's motto, Nandemo Dekimasu, or we can do anything." The Navy said repairing ships forward in Japan helps maximize U.S. naval presence in the region. It also demonstrates a long-term commitment to a free and open Indo-Pacific. For more than 75 years, SRF-JRMC has supported U.S. naval operations in the region. The facility provides intermediate and depot-level repair for ships assigned to the U.S. 7th Fleet. The on-time return of USS Shoup and USS George Washington highlights the facility's role in keeping major surface combatants and aircraft carriers ready for operations. The Navy said the maintenance work strengthens fleet readiness and supports continued operations across the Indo-Pacific. Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.